Hey everyone, I'm Justin with American Trucks. In this video, I'm going over a wheel and tire setup of a 20 by 10 inch wheel with a negative 25 millimeter offset and 33 by 12.5 inch tires on a 2015 through 2020 F-150 that is equipped with a 1.5 inch to 3 inch leveling kit. Now with this offset, your tires will extend from the wheel well on your truck. In this video, I'll go over the clearance with these wheels and tires, offset and stance, and finally what to expect when driving with this setup. The combination of a 20 by 10 inch wheel and 33 by 12.5 inch tire is a very popular setup with owners of 2015 through 2020 F-150s who have installed leveling kits on their trucks, as you can see from these pictures provided by fellow F-150 owners. Now, in order to fit this setup without any rubbing, on your F-150 you will need to have a 1.5 inch to 3 inch leveling kit installed, in addition to making some modifications in the wheel well area. Keep in mind that a 33 inch tire with this offset is currently the biggest tire that you can run with a leveling kit. This wheel and tire setup with a negative 25 millimeter offset is designed to give your F-150 a very aggressive stance. Now you can see on these pictures just how the tires are really sticking out from the wheel well, as opposed to an OE stance where the tire is going to be more tucked into the wheel well. That extension from the wheel well or fender is commonly referred to as poke, which is exactly how it sounds. The more negative the offset, the more the tires will poke out from the wheel well. A few things to keep in mind here when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33. When driving, the ride might feel a little bit more sluggish with 33s compared to your stock tires. Your speedometer will also read about 1 to 2 miles an hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to a bigger tire. Not a big deal, of course, and most F-150 owners just keep that in mind when driving. However, you can easily correct this using a flash cow or tuning device for your truck, both of which can be found right here at American Trucks. Now, if you do decide to purchase a set of wheels and tires from us here at AT, we make it very easy for you to get these on your F-150. Now, on our wheel and tire package pages, we do have setups that you can have mounted and balanced, along with being shipped right to your door. You can also choose to have your optional TPMS sensors installed and pick up the transmitter tool to easily calibrate those sensors in your tires. Now, to ensure proper installation of your new wheels, we do recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 14mm by 1.5 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes found in most of your aftermarket wheels, and again, you can find those here on the site. Then at that point, just simply have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready to go, and you'll have these on your rig in no time. We do always recommend getting an alignment for your F-150 after your new wheels and tires have been installed. As always, guys, if you have any more questions about this setup for your F-150, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of a 20 by 10 inch wheel with a negative 25 millimeter offset and 33 by 12.5 inch tires on an F-150 with a 1.5 inch to 3 inch leveling kit is very popular with the 15 through 20 owners who want a bigger tire and a very aggressive stance that will poke from the wheel well on your truck. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at AmericanTrucks.com.